I don't want to throw anywhere under the bus, but it strikes me there's a lot of people out there that are buying followers and buying bots and buying likes and buying comments. Brendan, help me. Is there any way for me to spot when someone has bought fake followers?
Honestly, I don't know. Like I don't pay attention to that space because honestly, I feel like the fake follower game is caught on by the algorithms. Like I don't believe in fake followers, fake comments, things of that nature. It doesn't really help you at all. There are people that run contests and do meme shout outs and things and stuff. And we've tested those extensively. To me, because the trick is I know people that have generated their audience completely organically and get low engagement, reach, and distribution. And I know people that have done meme shout outs, contests, and things like that that get massive reach and distribution on their content. It's about the content. Honestly, I don't spend a lot of time figuring out if people have bought fake followers. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could look at the types of comments that are on there and see if they're like generic standard comments. But I don't really know that I have spent enough time to spot like fake followers. I don't even know how you really kind of do it. I'm sure you probably can at this point, but I would be so scared that the platforms are going to take those away from you if you go down that route.
Yeah. To me, it seems like you're building your house on sand. Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here, we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.